Depend bad boy.
But sir, did you know that you must not sit unless the interviewer tells you to sit?
Hold on. Me see chair. Not even chair. Me see jug. Me sit down. What you mean me not sit down? Me come and interview a bush me there. What you mean? What you mean by that? Are you run interview? Run interview. How you
Brother.
run interview, man?
Okay, sir, where are you?
You know, say me come from a place on another part there. Then you pass across and then you go down the hill. And then you go up there you pass on Aki tree, then you pass on Apple one. And then you pass the mango tree there, then you go down at the bush there. Yeah, man, right up there, man. Yeah, man, place on another part, man. Right down there, sir. Yes, man.
So, where you live so far?
I walk in and me take 10 shortcut for it, sir.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah,
What is your occupation?
My occupation. We are talking about occupancy. No fuck you and miss me around there, man. You want Aki? Yo, you want how this rich and not you? I teach me teach. Me can't teach Aki, can't get you know. No fuck you, man. Don't say it. Nothing gonna miss me.
Okay, sir. Well, it seems like you failed the two first with me, so let's continue. Why do you want this job?
Why me want this a job here? Brother, me can make whole heap of money coming out of business to pay boy not When not even go and go to die now. Cause I don't give a free my shit though. Yeah man, that's how me come here man.
What we don't give it away just like that.
What you mean you don't give it away just like that? That me see on the paper. Unless me can't read.
We only offer free food.
Free food? Jesus Christ, and that's why me there too, you know. I'm kinda hungry, you know. Alright, go on sir.
So, how are you going to benefit from this job?
How me I go benefit from this a job here? How me I go benefit?
Got it!
How me I go benefit? What you mean man?
Got it!
Benefit.
Like, do you have a future goal or a long term or a short term?
My future goal is to kill boy. And pile dead body. And that's my future goal, sir. But don't worry yourself, me not pile you still no. And money me a pile na me while.
Okay, sir. We're going to go into the field and I want you to give a brief demonstration of
A brief that, yo! Brief! Brother! Why you talk about brief? Oi! No talk about no brief, you say no brother. What kind of brief you talk
Sir,
about?
I didn't mean underwear. I said give a brief demonstration as in an example of how you're going to perform.
Then
Yes,
that's the man.
we're going to go on the field right now. So, yeah, let's go.
Long time man, long time. What time lunch already?
Well, it's almost finished. What time is it?
Skin pass bowl I go down to flesh, sir. Hurry up.
Okay, I'm going right.
I large meal, me love you know.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is our website, which is your rightful position on this job. So give a brief demonstration of how you're going to.
So. I wanna get so much grassy weed. They said me never did that hungry tomorrow. Me no come back here. But we did this here a while ago.
Yes, let's start. Show me a brief example of how you're going to perform on this job.
Can we just last say don't show man not brief. Then come up with a new style, you know. A clap on weed in here, me not dive on weed. Because I'm out of graph. Yes, you know, me not dive on weed. That's people, you know. So you want to see the style?
Dive on weed?
Don't see you next one. Just look and learn and listen. And that I style, you know, sir.
2 hours later.
Not even get people working. But to all the lunch nicest today, me a start with from no. When say lunchtime soon come, we're coming 15.
Sir, can I give you a minute?
A minute. Yes, sir. You know, usually give me a minute no one. See, sir, I not even look too good. I'm going to go here. Big man, why you say? Brother, you're out well stink.
Really?
Yes, man. You look like pussy in the boots. You look like dirty square. You look like SpongeBob. Your head big. Your clothes crusher. You have even bottom. You look like tie. You look like younger than me. You look like you're there for food. Hey, brother. You look so. Mr. Joe, that man there over there so give me food yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, man, they say food nice, you know.
Well, unfortunately,
Yeah.
you didn't get the job and you're fired.
Bruh.
You don't apply, but you style me. I say my more think. Right.
Alright, I have things I'm never hungry this morning, even though I don't want the food. Me name 2 crackers this morning. Boy, I'm not joking, I'm gonna drop in a hole.